Hello mga birds. Mag-update na pud ta karon sa ato ang crypto. Ang atong hisgutan karon kay bahin sa XRP. Good news ni bahin sa XRP. Ingon sa crypto basic, ingon dinhi ang title kay $100 billion asset manager names XRP the only altcoin fit to complement a Bitcoin strategy. Na-release ni nga article karong adlaw May 13, 2025. Nya ingon din nga Wisdom Tree, a 100 billion asset management firm, released a report that singled out XRP as an altcoin suitable for long-term portfolio strategy alongside Bitcoin. XRP community researcher SMQKE highlighted this report in a recent tweet. The report positions XRP not as a speculative asset but as a functional complement to Bitcoin within a diversified crypto allocation. The firm research notes that institutional investors are no longer content with exposure to a single mega-cap cryptocurrency. With Bitcoin dominating ETF headlines and media coverage, Wisdom Tree Taxonomy identifies XRP as a fitting companion based on its utility, performance, and classification as a Layer 1 payment asset. Unsa ning Layer 1 payment asset? Gingon din mga words. Layer 1 payments classification sets XRP apart. In its digital asset categorization, Wisdom Tree divides crypto asset into key sector as Layer 1 payments, Layer 1 smart contract platforms, DeFi, stablecoin, and NFTs. The firm uniquely classified both Bitcoin and XRP under Layer 1 payments due to their primary function as digital payment instruments. This distinction positions XRP as the altcoin counterpart to Bitcoin in the payments category, similar to how Solana parallels Ethereum in the smart contract segment. Anong XRP? Why XRP? Notably, XRP's design as a fast and scalable payment solution is a part of the reason behind Wisdom Tree's perspective. Transactions on the XRP ledger settle in 3 to 5 seconds. So dali ra kaayo. Moreover, XRP utilizes a proof of association consensus model that consumes significantly less energy than Bitcoin's proof of work. Additionally, XRP's historical low correlation with Bitcoin and Ethereum strengthens its case for diversification. While Bitcoin and Ethereum often move in tandem, XRP's performance tends to follow a more independent trajectory, a trait Wisdom Tree consider valuable for risk management. Scarcity dynamics and institutional redlines. The report also highlights XRP's controlled supply. It has a fixed cap of 100 billion tokens. Gradually released through Ripple escrow system. Ripple returns unused token to escrow each month. As of now, XRP's circulating supply stands at 58.55 billion tokens. Wisdom Tree also notes that XRP operates under a long-term deflationary model where network transaction fees are borne. With most XRP either distributed or locked and its total supply nearing full circulations, investors see parallels with Bitcoin's scarcity-driven value proposition. This makes XRP not only functional for payments, but also a scarce digital asset with long-term investment appeal, according to the firm. Smart money quietly positioned into XRP. XRP proponents interpret Wisdom Tree's report as evidence that sophisticated investors are quietly accumulating XRP as a strategic counterpart. They argue that smart money is positioning XRP alongside Bitcoin in institutional portfolios that seek a balance between store of value and real-world utility. Interestingly, the US government also mentioned XRP as one of the assets to consider for its strategic crypto stockpile, which it created alongside the much requested strategic Bitcoin reserve. However, the government noted it has no plans to buy any XRP. So, muna siya ang report sa Wisdom Tree nga company, mga birds. So, mura daw siya og Bitcoin. Yeah. Bahin po sa pag-process sa payment, mas paspas siya kaysa Bitcoin, 3 to 5 seconds. So, muna yung nakanindot ni XRP. Yeah, fix na iyang value. Yeah, US pagid siya nga company. US-based crypto. Yeah, na-mention po siya ni Trump. Tumingon si Trump nga himo siya mag stockpile siya. Apil ang XRP sa na mention ni Trump.